In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Reading Tools, a set of online reading enhancements for OJS journals. To get started, let's go and select an abstract from post-colonial text. On the abstract page, you'll see the Reading Tools in the right sidebar. The first one is Review Policy. Let's select that one. As you can see, it quickly directs your readers to the peer review process for your journal. Let's jump back to the abstract and look at the second one, About the Author. This opens a pop-up window that will not only include the title of the article, but also the author name, including their affiliation and any biographical information from their user profile in OJS. Let's close this and take a look at the next reading tool, How to Cite an Item. This opens a pop-up box with the citation details for the article, as well as a drop-down box allowing you to choose a number of citation tools. Let's pick the APA style. And the citation information is now styled in the APA format. Let's use the Close button to close this window down. Next, we can look at the indexing metadata, which provides a summary of article details such as the title, the author, the discipline, abstract, etc. And let's close that. Clicking on Print Version. Now let's take a look at definitions. This allows us to enter a word and search it against a pre-existing set of resources and databases. Next, let's take a look at author's work. Similar to the way the definitions worked, this will pull in the author's name from the metadata and give us a pre-selected set of resources and databases to search against, allowing us to quickly find other work available by that author. And as we can see, a Google Scholar search has brought up a number of related. The next option is Government Policy, which pulls in the keywords from the article metadata and allows us to search those against a variety of pre-selected government-based resources. I think you're probably getting the idea, but let's take a look at one last one. This one also pulls in the keywords from the article metadata, but this time gives us a list of book-based resources to search against, such as Google Print. Let's try that. And as you can see, it brings up a number of results. The idea here is that the reading tools will allow the reader to quickly find related resources and provide them with richer context for the topic they're reading about. So now that we've got some idea of what the reading tools do, let's take a quick look at how to configure them for your OJS journal. You'll need to log into your journal and then select User Home. Select your role as Journal Manager, and then pick Reading Tools from the Management Pages menu. By default, the Reading Tools are turned off for new OJS journals, so you'll need to first select the Reading Tool options. You'll want to check Enable the Reading Tools, and you could later uncheck this too if you changed your mind, so you're certainly free to experiment. Next, you'll see a list of the journal item tools that were available from the sidebar, such as the abstract or about the author, and you can use these checkboxes to enable or disable. OJS also provides you with the opportunity to allow readers to add comments, and you can set that up here, as well as various levels of anonymity. Next, you'll want to select your related item tool set based on the discipline of your journal. For example, an information technology journal would choose computer science. Make your selection and then hit save. This will ensure that the resources that are available for searching by the reader are subject appropriate. Now, for most journals, that might be as far as they would go, but if you wanted to customize those related item sets even further by adding or removing what resources are available, you can do that by selecting the Related Item Sets configuration link. On the resulting page, select the Context link for your subject area. And from there you can select the Searches link for the various options. if you hold your mouse over the title of one of the resources, allowing you to reorder it in the list available to the readers. You could also use the delete link to the right of the screen to remove one of the searches, and if you look down near the bottom of the screen, there's a link to create a search if you wanted to add a new one.